Shifting our focus to the economic calendar for next week, we analyze how upcoming news and events may influence the movements of currency pairs and cryptocurrencies.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free economic calendar? In MetaTrader 4, go to Market tab and search for Porsage. You can use Porsage News utility for free.
Your attention is greatly appreciated. Porsage Forex Academy is dedicated to delivering weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast. Join us for daily Forex and crypto signals. Show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.